Alright, y'all, so got in the car. This is about the best I could do with what I had for right now. I just got it up, got my hair up in a claw clip in these two little pieces. And yeah, so we're about to go get these nails done. Let's go.
I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year. What is it you want? Just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year. I never get what I really want. What is it you want?
Hey y'all, so we just got done with the nails, period. I don't know if y'all seen the final, period. Little Christmas vibes. So yeah. Now I'm about to go back home. Oh wait, I got a lot of errands to run today, y'all. I swear. Literally so much to do today. Oh, yep. My candles from the candle sale already delivered. Literally just ordered them yesterday morning. Shout out to Bath and Body Works. So yeah, we'll open those up when we get home. But yeah, I'll pick y'all back up then.
Much later.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another Vlogmas vlog. So today is Monday. Oh, what's the date? December 4th. So last time y'all see me, I was doing a lot of shopping around. I'm still in the process of rearranging and decorating my room and stuff. So I got a lot of packages still coming in. But I need to go back to Dollar Tree to get more storage for like some hair stuff and stuff like that. So I need to go back there, and I need to I'm gonna swing by Five Below, and I need to go to ALDI. So yeah, I'll pick y'all back up when we get to Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna go to a different Dollar Tree than the one we went to in the last video, so I can see if they got anything different. So yeah, I'll pick y'all back up when we get there. Okay, we just made it to the other Dollar Tree. I think I want some garland. Yeah, see this garland, it's really cute. This one has little snowmen on it. This one, it's candy canes. It's really cute. I wanted to put some around my room, but I don't know. Maybe that's doing too much. They have these stockings. This is cute. I've never seen these. They got these fragrance warmers and the snowman and little lighthouse. Never seen those. Okay, so I'm getting the baskets that I came here for. They're just these like wicker type baskets. They're $3. And then I need something for my robes, so I think I'm gonna get this crystal hook hanger. And they have this one, and then they have this more plain style without the little crystals on it, but I think I'm gonna just get this. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna get out of here. Actually, I'm lying. I'm gonna go get my favorite pop. possibly some of those barbecue chips too. So I always get distracted when I come in Dollar Tree because every time I come in here, they got something new that I ain't never seen before. So let me see what they got. Okay, y'all. So, what was the last place I saw? Dollar Tree. Okay, so yeah, I'm at ALDI now, and I'm trying to get me a little bit of food. Nothing too crazy. Oh, I want the muffins. Got some chocolate chip muffins and some pulled pork so far. I want to see if they have that burrito that I've been seeing on TikTok. We'll see. Y'all, so ALDI one of them stores where you gotta do the quarter to get the cart or whatever. So I'm holding my stuff in my hand. Maybe I'll use one of these boxes. Maybe that'll help me not get so much, because I'm not going back to the car to get no quarter. I think that's ghetto, but you know, whatever. So I didn't even know they had kombucha here, and it's the name brand kombucha too. They got kombucha here. They got the Health Aid and the Synergy one. Had no clue. Okay, so let's see if they got this burrito they've been talking about. It's me with this box because I didn't want to go back to the car to get a quarter for me. Like I said, that's ghetto. I'm not doing all of that. I'm not doing all that. Okay, so I see roast, and I see no burrito. Of course not. Because why would they? They have pork loin roast with different seasonings on them, but not what I want. Yeah, that's a bust. Alright, y'all, so I just made it home, and yeah, I wasn't out long today because look, it just seemed like every time I go outside, I breathe and I spend $200. So I needed to come home. So I still got so much to do. I got some editing to do and maybe some filming. I may not have to film until tomorrow, but yeah. So I got everything that I showed y'all I had got at ALDI. I got these chocolate chip muffins. I ended up getting these Checkers fries. I got some buffalo wings, and then I just got the pulled pork. So yeah, and I'm kind of like in a blah kind of mood. It's probably because I ain't ate nothing. I get kind of hangry sometimes. So I'm gonna have to make me some food, sit down, chill, watch some YouTube, watch some vlogs, and yeah. So I may or may not pick y'all back up today, but yeah.